Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, there is a great news which is coming here from TCS for TCS free NQT 2025. So the date is finally announced for many of the colleges. I will give you the complete details here. So TCS NQT 2025 free NQT in many of the colleges is going to get conducted on 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th of October. If you remember in my old videos, I had clearly told you that either September end or October first week your TCS NQT exam will happen. And here you can see, so we have the WhatsApp group. I will share the WhatsApp group link. You can also join. So there the students were discussing, right? And here you can see the TCS Oncampus, right? Free NQT 2025 will be conducted on 4th, 5th and 6th of October, right? Okay. So another thing, friends, which I wanted to tell you, for off-campus, TCS NQT 2025 off-campus, you know when it will happen? So it will happen around November end, okay? December or November end, right? So this is the expected dates will be. Now, friends, I will give you more detail about this. So this particular hiring happens for 3 different roles, right? So Ninja, Digital and Prime. And this particular hiring happens for graduate and postgraduate. For Ninja role, they will be giving you a package of 3.36 lakhs per annum. For Digital, 7 lakhs per annum. For Prime, 9 lakhs per annum. Postgraduate, they will be paying you 3.5 lakhs per annum. And here 7.3 lakhs per annum. And here 11.5 lakhs per annum, right? Okay. And also we will understand a bit about the pattern. Before that, friends, I wanted to tell you, right? So we will start again with the live classes. So during the TCS NQT 2024, you can see lot of live classes, right? TCS one short revision video, right? Again, you can see TCS coding revision video, TCS reasoning, aptitude, right? Here also you can see verbal ability, number system, all live classes we had conducted for you all, right? So here you are able to see quadratic equation. This was a new topic which was added, time and work, right? So reasoning, so lot of classes we had done. And friends, that is the only reason, right? So if you'll go and check our channel right now, so in 2024 we have given 5,000 plus selections only in TCS for Prime, Digital and Ninja role. See, today also if you'll go and check our community page, right? So it will be full of results only, right? So Chandra got selected for TCS Digital for a package of 7 lakhs per annum, right? Okay. So here you can see her offer letter as well, right? So it's not like we will just tell, okay, the student. So here we will give you the complete details. Now, friends, we wanted you also to crack. So first I will tell you about the syllabus, okay? So let us see the syllabus and the pattern, okay? So basically, friends, you will be having aptitude, verbal ability and your coding. Aptitude means your aptitude and reasoning both I am considering here. But one thing which you need to understand, the level of the problem will be very, very good, right? So it's not like Infosys, right, for system engineer or Cognizant or LTI Mindtree. So like this questions will not come. So the level of the questions will be very, very good, that you need to understand. And friends, here numerical ability 20 question will be there, time will be 25 minutes. So now, friends, what we are going to do, so daily you will be like today is 23rd, right? So from 25th of September, right, till your examination. So 25th of September till your examination, okay? So if your examination is on 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, right? So you will be getting one full length mock test daily basis, right? So one full length mock test on daily basis starting from 25th of September. One full length mock test you will be getting on daily basis, right? So which will include numerical ability, verbal ability and reasoning ability, right? Okay. So numerical ability, see, part 1 will be your foundation section. Part 1 will be your foundation section. So part 1 foundation section, numerical ability, 20 question, 25 minutes will be there, but it will be not sufficient. If you will talk about 2024 cutoff, right? So friends, in numerical ability, a student had done hardly 5 to 6 question, okay, and they were selected. But this year we don't know, this might go up, depends upon the number of vacancies. So it might be 10 to 12. So our duty is to solve as many questions as possible in the examination. Verbal ability, the cutoff was high, okay. So out of 25, the cutoff was around 15 question, okay. Reasoning ability, total 20. These questions were also lengthy. So around 12 questions, 10 to 12 questions was the cutoff here. So friends, overall, what I wanted to tell you, so all the cutoffs, right, it depends upon the number of seats, right, which TCS is having. So you have to prepare for the worst. If TCS has 1 seat, you should be the one who will get selected. That's all I know. And how that will happen? That will happen when you write the mock test. That will happen when we solve the previous year problem. Then only all those things will happen. Now, so if you solve only part A, foundation section, then you will be getting Ninja Roll. And for Ninja Roll, the package will be 3.36 lakhs per annum. Friends, I would like to tell you, so around 5,000 selections in TCS which happened through us, right? So very few were from Ninja, okay. Mostly people were from digital, prime, okay. So Ninja definitely in 2024 also the candidates were not much. I mean, they did not hire much for Ninja. Instead the TCS hired for digital and prime, okay. So advanced aptitude and reasoning and advanced coding, right? So here advanced aptitude and reasoning will be 14. See, even though this particular foundation section also their questions will be tough. Advanced coding there will be 2, right? So here you can see 25 minutes will be for this one, and for coding section they will be giving you 90 minutes. Total 190 minutes will be their total time. Now friends, in advanced coding question, if you solve one coding question, then you will be eligible for, my dear friends, digital 7 lakhs per annum package, okay. And if you solve both coding question, then you will be getting prime, and prime package will be nothing but 9 lakhs per annum. So friends, TCS is offering you a very good package of 7 LPA, 9 LPA, right? If you are from right PG, then you will be getting a package of 11.5 lakhs per annum, right? Okay. Now, so friends, even we had the WhatsApp group, right? So we have the WhatsApp group where in each group more than 1,000 students are there. Now, friends, the question comes, how you will be able to prepare? So friends, one thing which you have to understand, that you have to solve previous year problem. So if you are going to write NQT 2025, 2024 question is must, okay. So you need to solve 2024 question, but you will not be able to get complete questions from the 2024. The reason is the exam happened in the center, so students were not able to take their screenshots, or only memory based questions came, right? Okay. Now, so friends, as I said, daily, right? So daily one full length mock test where aptitude, reasoning and your verbal ability will be there. So that you need to practice. Sir, what about coding? I will come to that. So daily one mock test till your exam you will be able to give. So around 10 mock test full length you will be getting, right? Okay. Now, and friends, already daily classes are going on. Like Tuesday, verbal ability classes are there by Isa ma'am. Wednesday, aptitude classes I am taking. Data interpretation study, I took data interpretation class very much in detail. Coding, and tomorrow coding is also there in C++ by Ankan sir. Then Thursday we have coding classes in Java. Then Friday we have aptitude classes again by me. Okay, then Saturday you have mock interview by Busra ma'am. And then Sunday you have again coding in C++ by Ankan sir. So already we are putting lot of right, effort for you. Now friends, I will show you from where you will be able to get the previous questions, right? So that is more important. So now I will take you through this. Okay, so here you see TCS NQT crash course. Okay, right, so the price is also very much nominal, right? So here you can see it is just right 1100. Now so see why the price is that much, because you see the content. Okay, so already see one mock test, if you will give it outside, they will charge you some 400 to 500 rupees. Here we are giving you along with the course. So TCS NQT 2024 asked questions. Okay, so just go inside this. So here we have put coding questions, TCS aptitude and reasoning questions, then verbal ability. We are going to upload more videos. Then TCS NQT 2024 coding questions. So whatever coding questions was asked, and both we are provided in solution in C++ and Java. And then TCS NQT top 25 coding questions. So this is only in 2024, whatever they asked, that we are providing you. Okay, then again this live classes is already going on. Aptitude numerical ability is already there. Reasoning is there. TCS NQT reasoning mock test is there. Verbal ability videos are there. TCS NQT previous year questions are there, right? Programming videos are there. Then test series are there, right? So if you go inside this test series, right? So here there will be test series will be there already, but we are going to provide you the full length mock test series once again with the latest pattern starting from 25th of September. Then if you again come down, right, so you can see just a minute. Okay, so the interview courses are already included. TCS test series 2024, right? So this also is there, right? So here if you go here, you can see the test series. So that test series NQT 2024 based on latest pattern, live mock test, both even with the solution it will be there. Okay, and friends, all the topics, right? So if you will see, so right now I have started taking the classes here. So just go inside the live new batch. Okay, so here you can see aptitude classes already, the important topic, important questions we are taking here. So if you come down here, right, so you can see the topic wise, like percentage is there, right? Okay, average is there, right? And then ratio proportion is there, right? So and then data interpretation is there. So already we have started doing simplification is there, part 1, part 2. So everything is taken in very much detail and it will be very much beneficial for you, right? Okay, so coding with others are in Java, right? C++ coding, right? So all those things are available here. Okay, now so friends, let me go back. So this is where you are going to give the result, right? So a lot of live classes will be keep coming for you. Lot of test series will be keep happening for you. Get ready for your TCS NQT 2025 examination with the crash course. It is already proven. Okay, so lot of candidates, they have got the result. So I wanted you also to crack this exam. Thank you, take care, all the very, very best. So finally TCS NQT free NQT exam is out. The date is out. For other colleges it will be coming soon. Till then, take care.